Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for coming back, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. So as some of you already know, my hair is in box braids, but I decided to prepare a henna gloss bar recipe, and I decided to record it to show you guys what I'm going to use it for when I finally use it. So right now I'm just melting my cocoa butter and my shea butter, and I put it into a bowl and put boiling hot water underneath so that it could melt. And I'm just stirring it to make sure that all the little pieces in are all dissolved. Okay, so now I'm done melting my shea and cocoa butter, and I'm just taking it out of the boiling hot water which I melted it in. So I'm starting off with about 2 tablespoons of fenugreek, 9 tablespoons of henna, 4 tablespoons of brahmi, as you guys can see in the video. I'll list all down below. And then I use about half cup of cocoa butter and then a quarter cup of shea butter. And I'm using just 2 tablespoons of my grape seed oil. And then I'll move on to 1 tablespoon of my coconut oil. I'm going to list all the measurements down below so that you guys can know what I'm doing. And this is a rendition of Curly Proverbs recipe, but then I decided to remove the honey from the recipe. And I'm going to be freezing this up. When I'm ready to use it, then I add my avocado or my banana. But make sure that you don't use a protein conditioner when you're using this because of the henna inside, else your hair will break. So I'm now starting off by putting the fenugreek in my mixture first. And then I'm moving on to my henna. And then my brahmi. So you just mix everything and you make sure that this mixes very well. But you start off really slowly, and then as you go you pick up with the speed. So the reason why I added the brahmi is because it accelerates hair growth, and it also reduces hair shedding or your hair falling out. So you see I'm slowly mixing everything. At this point I could really smell the cocoa butter. It smells so good, and it's also really good for moisturizing hair. So now for extra smoothness, I'm taking a whisk and I'm just whisking everything to make sure that there's absolutely no lumps inside. So just look at how smooth it looks. Okay, so now I'm putting them into my molds. You can use any mold that you want to use, and I decided to use these ones because that's what I had available. So I'm just making sure that it fills up to the brim, and you have to be careful because this gets everywhere. So this is how it was looking, and I kept this in the freezer for a day. and this is how it was looking like when I took it out. You can see how pretty it looks, and it's actually very, very nutritious for your hair as well. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in my next video. Bye.